the hardest part, I think, just getting in, getting involved, getting the skis on, getting the board on. It can be quite daunting for people. So it's the first steps, and it's just the best way to get people involved. And then, of course, there's progressions afterwards, you know. Well, obviously it's always quieter over the summer because, you know, winter sports, people do look to start doing them in the winter. So putting things on over the summer, it brings people in that wouldn't normally come to the slope. And by offering, you know, the Go Ski Go board, it just brings in so many people. It's such a good offer, and they absolutely loved it. We had brilliant feedback from it. I just thought before we did Go Ski Go board, we'd completely sort of focus on our parties and donuts and things over the summer and not skiing and boarding. But now it's completely turned around. We had a really busy summer because of the Go Ski Go board. We've had our local university, they've always come to us. We're trying to get more unis involved because the amount of unis that are around the area, there are a lot that haven't used us before. From April onwards, we're always really, really quiet, and we use the summer to prepare for the winter when it picks up and it gets busy again. So it fills the quiet times and it brings people in at times when people normally wouldn't be using the facilities. So we did feedback forms after one of them, and it showed that a lot of the people that got involved with Go Ski Go board improved their confidence, it improved their social side of things, they made friends, they're going to stay in touch with those friends, they might carry on, they might do courses together. So many people that got involved with Go Ski Go board coming back, which is really great, nice to see.